Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering off the headset and unplugging the cable so no strain complicates the job. Once done, position the Kraken on a flat surface and use a thin plastic prying tool at the ear cup seam to gently lift the outer ring. You will feel snaps release. Proceed slowly to avoid breaking clips. Take out the outer shell and set the retaining ring aside. Keep track of screws or springs so reassembly is straightforward and predictable. You now remove the inner foam and original ear pad, observing how the speaker sits and where the cable runs. Make sure to note orientation so audio channels remain correct. Once noted, gently disconnect any small clips or flex connectors that secure the speaker or mic to the cup. Install the replacement foam and pad over the speaker, aligning holes and vents. Then press the speaker assembly back into place while guiding the cable into its channel, making sure clips engage fully so the fit is secure. You finish by snapping the outer shell and retaining ring back onto the ear cup, verifying every clip clicks into place and replacing screws if used. Once reassembled, plug the headset back in and run quick tests. Play stereo audio to confirm left and right channels, speak into the mic to check clarity, and cycle volume. If something sounds off, stop and reopen the cup. Most issues stem from a misaligned speaker or loose connector, so reseating those parts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.